Transform your yard with these landscaping ideas from Construction Remodeling. Welcome to our guide on lawn makeovers and landscaping ideas designed to turn your outdoor space into a beautiful, functional oasis. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or a gardening novice, there's always room to improve and reimagine your yard. In this blog post, we'll dive into several landscaping concepts that can help you revitalize your lawn, boost your home's curb appeal, and create the ideal backdrop for outdoor living. So, let's dig in and start imagining the endless possibilities for that patch of green outside your window. 1. Start with a plan. The secret to any successful lawn makeover is a well-thought-out plan. Consider your yard's size, shape, and current features, as well as how you'd like to use the space. Do you enjoy hosting outdoor gatherings? Or is your goal to create a tranquil refuge from the hustle and bustle? Considering your preferences and needs will help you make informed decisions about the design, materials, and plants you choose. 2. Make a statement with focal points. Focal points are an essential aspect of any landscaping project, as they draw the eye and guide the viewer through the space. A striking tree, a colorful flower bed, a water feature, or an eye-catching sculpture can all serve as the centerpiece of your lawn makeover. Select a few focal points that complement each other, and arrange them strategically throughout your yard to create balance and a sense of purpose. 3. Play with colors and textures. A successful lawn makeover should include a variety of plants with different colors, textures, and heights. This mix adds visual interest and dimension to your landscaping. Choose plants with complementary colors for a cohesive look, or opt for bold contrasts to make a more dramatic statement. 4. Incorporate hardscaping elements. Hardscape elements, such as retaining walls, pathways, and patios, are crucial for defining spaces within your yard and creating a functional, navigable landscape. Choose materials that complement the overall style of your home and garden, and incorporate hardscaping features that make the most of your available space. For example, patios and seating areas are great for entertaining, while paver pathways guide visitors through your garden beds, allowing them to appreciate your landscaping at a leisurely pace. 5. Consider low-maintenance options. If you love the idea of a beautiful yard but dread the upkeep, there are plenty of low-maintenance landscaping options available. Native plants typically require less water and care, as they're naturally suited to your region's climate and soil conditions. Ground covers and mulch beds can minimize the time you spend weeding, while slow-growing shrubs and perennial flowers come back year after year with minimal maintenance. Opt for drought-tolerant plants or consider incorporating a xeriscape design to conserve water and limit your yard work. A lawn makeover is an excellent way to transform your outdoor space into a beautiful, inviting retreat. With thoughtful planning, the creation of focal points, the use of color and texture, hardscaping elements, and the consideration of low-maintenance options, you can create an incredible landscape that suits your personal style and needs. Whether you're a gardening expert or a first-time homeowner, these landscaping ideas can help you breathe new life into your yard and expand your living space to the great outdoors. Happy gardening! Thanks for watching.